I hear you laughing. Cheese.
Oh God. Oh God.
God.
Are you listening to it? Can I hear it?
What? Am I listening to what?
You're recording?
No, not that. It's just that I died in Happy Wheels. I'm still recording. Oh yay, my favorite Mega Girl glitch.
I like when you do that. That's hilarious. You heard me cracking up? Did you? It's just the way you're just like, Okay.
Jesus Christ.
I would imagine someone doing that during actual sex.
That would be great. That's my favorite way of doing it. You okay?
You're making me laugh. This is so funny. Okay, keep going. That's hilarious. I'm gonna go to sleep laughing all night. Is that funny?
Minoy.
Shut up, God.
Why?
Nah.
Minoy. Minoy.
Okay, shut up. That's stupid now. You just took away all my laughter from the mixture of that stuff, and you're annoying. That's.
What the f- Oh, yeah. Oh.
What?
Have I just knocked out all the laughter out of you?
Pretty much. Oh crap, it's 11:52. I thought it was like 10 o'clock.
Wow. Well,